Being organized in brewing is really important. If you're not organized, you're going to feel like you're spending half your day looking for tools. Which is why I like to put together what I call a kill tray. This is after Dexter, of course. He was meticulously organized, and I like to think I'm a little bit like that as well. So in my kill tray, I use things that are small, that are easy to lose, that I use on a regular basis. And for me, these happen to kind of double task as far as my hydroponics as well. So, of course, you got to have your hydrometer here. In addition to your hydrometer, a nice little 5 ml pipette works well. This is good for taking samples from the beer. It's easy to sanitize, and also for measuring, say, if you want to do a star sand solution, it's dead on. So you got those two things there. Marker, permanent marker. This is great for kind of marking your kegs. It washes off easily with nail polish remover. Thermopen, I love it. It's fantastic. In case that goes down, your standard old school thermometer, because you need 2 in a pinch, just in case the one decides it doesn't work on you. Little mini scale here. It's 10 or 15 bucks. It's fantastic for measuring out hops. Hose clamps, like firm cap for controlling boilovers, and if you use any brewing salts, you would have these at that time. Clarifiers, they fit well in here. Keg lube, you'll buy one, it'll last the rest of your life. Various keg pieces, and again for brewing water, lactic acid. Something you may have not noticed here is the 3/8 racking cane. This serves as a great storage area for you. You can't lose it. Remember, the 3/8 racking cane, the stainless one, will serve as your beer gun as well as racking for bottling. And it just tucks away nice and neat here. Just like that.